Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect to Mirascreen. First, ensure your Mirascreen device is powered on and connected to your TV's HDMI port. You should see the Mirascreen welcome screen. Next, grab your smartphone or tablet. We will walk through the initial setup process, which is quite straightforward. This method works for most devices, making it easy to share your screen wirelessly. Now let's get connected. On your phone, go to Wi-Fi settings and find the Mirascreen network. It usually starts with Mirascreen or Anycast. Connect to it using the password displayed on your TV screen. Once connected, navigate to your phone's screen mirroring or cast feature. This might be called Smart View, Screencast, or Wireless Display. Select your Mirascreen device from the list and your screen should appear on the TV. Sometimes, you might encounter a small hiccup. If your screen isn't mirroring, first check that your Mirascreen dongle is receiving adequate power, perhaps from a 5-volt, 1-amp USB power adapter. A quick restart of both your phone and the Mirascreen can often resolve minor issues. Also, occasionally, a firmware update for your Mirascreen can improve performance and compatibility. You can usually find update instructions on the manufacturer's website. To get the best experience, adjust your TV's aspect ratio to match your mirrored content, preventing stretched or cropped images. For consistent performance, especially during long viewing sessions, using a dedicated USB power adapter for your Mirascreen is highly recommended over relying on your TV's USB port. This ensures stable power delivery. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Connecting to Mirascreen is a fantastic way to share content, so enjoy your wireless display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.